Hello friends, I am Manak from Civil Center and I welcome all of you to our video tutorial series on MS PowerPoint. So friends, in this video, we'll see how to add hyperlink in our MS Excel slides. So first of all, we have a slide here where under the heading plan, we want to add a hyperlink so that upon clicking on it, we can go and view the actual file, which is the actual plan. So in the desktop, we have a folder named VSync Final PDF in which we have a PDF file here. This is the plan of ground floor which we want to insert as a hyperlink. So I'll simply close it and then go to our PowerPoint slide. After that, I'll go to insert and then we have an option here, link, add an hyperlink, and the shortcut is Ctrl+K. So for now, we'll simply click on it and then we'll go to our desktop through here. So after going to the desktop, I'll select the folder and the file also and then OK. So after that, if I press Ctrl and then click on the hyperlink, my file will be automatically opened. So friends, in this video, we had seen an easy way of inserting hyperlink in Microsoft PowerPoint. So that's all for today. See you in the next video. And if you have any suggestions or any topics in which you want more videos, please do comment. And also don't forget to share with your friends. Bye.